Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this equation for x. So to solve this equation for x, we will suppose y is equals to under root 2x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. So if y is equals to this, then this will be equal to 1 upon y, because this is just opposite to the y, right? So we can write the equation as y plus 6 into 1 upon y is equals to 5, right? Now we'll take the LCM. So we'll be having y square plus 6 upon y is equals to 5, right? So we'll be having y square plus 6 is equals to 5y, and we can write it as y square minus 5y plus 6 is equals to 0. So we can break the middle term here and we can write it y square minus 2y plus minus 3y minus 2 minus 3 is 5 minus 5 plus 6 is equals to 0. So we'll take y common, so we'll be having y minus 2, and we'll take minus 3 as common, so we'll be having y minus 2 is equals to 0. So now we'll take y minus 2 as common, so we'll be having y minus 3 is equals to 0. So we have two values for y is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3, right? So now what we will do is we will plot this y value one by one and find out the value of x. So we'll take the 2 first. 2, so we'll be putting over here 2 is equals to 2x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 under root. Now we will take the square of both sides, and with the square of both sides, half of the solution we will do on this side. So it's 4 is equals to 2x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. So we'll shift this denominator and we'll multiply it with 4, and we can write it as 4x square plus 4 is equals to 2x square plus 1, and we'll shift both of the terms to the left hand side, and we can write it as 4x square minus 2x square is equals to 2x square, and then 1 will be shifted here, so plus 4 minus 1 is equals to plus 3 is equals to 0, right? So now what we will do is we'll shift the 3, and this is 2x square, so we'll shift the 2 also, so we'll be having x square. Now we will take the square root both the sides, so with the square root we can write it, okay, this 3 is with the minus, so we'll take the square root both the sides. X is equals to minus 3 upon 2 square root plus minus, and with this minus we can write it as plus minus iota 3 upon 2 square root. So because of this minus, we'll be having an imaginary number, okay, and we'll be having a value of x is equals to plus minus iota under root 3 upon 2, and for the y value for 3, we'll do the same process and we'll find the value of y. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.